Hello, in this video I will discuss percentage. Okay, so we'll look at introduction to percentage. So what is percentage? Percentage is a way of writing a number as a fraction of 100. The word comes from percent, which means per 100. So um, for example, we have 10%. Okay, so 10% is same thing as 10 over 100. Okay, and also 125% is same thing as 125 over 100. Now, looking at this definition here, which says percentage is a way of expressing a number as a fraction of 100. So for instance, when you have let's say 1/2, okay, and we want to express this as a percentage, right? So what we'll do is we do 1/2 of 100. Okay, so this becomes 1/2 times 100. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 50. So we'll have 50%. Okay, so let's proceed. Now the next thing we'll discuss is changing percentage to fraction and vice versa. So let's look at these two examples here. So in this one, we are expected to change 12% to a fraction. So to change percentage to a fraction, all we just need to do is set it to be over 100. So this is equal to 12 divided by 100. Now we don't leave it this way. We need to divide further so that we leave the answer at the lowest term. Now common factor here is let's use 4, which is the GCF. So 4 here is 3, 4 here is 25. So this 12% expressed as fraction is same thing as 3 over 25. Then for this one, we'll do 110 divided by 100. Okay, so this, we cancel this and we'll have 11 over 10. So since this is improper fraction, we need to write it as a mixed number, which is 1 whole 1 over 10. Okay, so if you want to convert this back to improper fraction, you say 1 times 10 is 10 plus 1 gives 11 over 10. Then the next thing we will do is converting a fraction to percentage. So if you notice, this is what we got from converting percentage to fraction, and this one also. So we'll go in the reverse order now. So when we have 3 over 25, we want to convert this to percentage. All we just need to do now is to multiply by 100. Okay, so 25 here is 1, 25 here is 4 times. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12%. Then for this one, we also multiply by 100. Okay, so 0, we cancel 0 here, and we are left with 11 times 10, which is same thing as 110%. All right, to the next page. Now the next one here is changing percentage to decimal and vice versa. So the first one is percentage to decimal. So in these three examples here, we'll convert to decimal from percentage. Now, to convert to decimal, first of all, we do 60 divided by 100. So 0, we cancel 0. Now 6 over 10 is same thing as 0.6. Okay. I think you should know this elementary math. 10 6 divided by 10, it can't go, so you put 0 and add 0 to this 6, then 10 into 60 is 6. Okay, so please, you should know some of these things, like 1 over 10 is 0.1, 1 over 100 is 0.01, like that. Then for the second one, this is 120 over 100. Okay, so 0, we cancel 0, and this we give 1.2. Then the third one, this is same thing as 63 over 100. So this is equal to, this is 1, 2, put point here, 0, 0, because we have two zeros. We count these two figures in the backward direction, 1, 2, put point here, so this becomes 0.63. Okay, now we need to now convert from decimal to percentage. So we have 0.6 here. You know that 0.6 is same thing as 6 over 10, right? So since we are converting to 100, just multiply by 100, 0, we cancel 0, and we are left with 60%. Then for this one, 1.2 is same thing as 1.2 over, same thing as 12 over 10. Yeah, so we'll multiply by 100 because we are converting to percentage. This, we cancel this, and we'll have 120%. Then for this one, this is same thing as 63 over 100, because when you move this decimal point here twice, 1, 2, okay, which means you are going to have a denominator that carries 2 zeros, and which is 100. So this is 63 over 100. Now since we are changing to decimal, to percentage, multiply by 100. So this 100, we cancel this 100, and we are left with 63%, right? Okay, thank you for watching this video to this moment. Please, if you gained something from this lesson, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Thank you, and see you in my next lesson.